Sick of laggy lines and dead pens? Say hello to the Kamvas that won't quit. Huion Pro 16 is built different. Stuck in digital art hell? We see you, fumbling with clunky, laggy screens, pen batteries that die mid-epiphany, and drawing tablets that ghost you when deadlines hit. Your inspiration's flowing like Niagara, but your tools are more damp faucet than creative waterfall. Each misaligned line feels like a personal betrayal. Parallax? Pressure issues? Glare-induced migraines? Enough already. The worst part? You're wasting precious hours fighting hardware instead of feeding your art beast. You didn't sign up for tech-induced tantrums, you signed up to create magic. And frankly, your art deserves a stage, not a struggle. Now crank that frustration to 11, tight deadlines, an ever-growing backlog of commissions, and your trusty old tablet pulling a Houdini act every time you dare push the limits. The lag is brutal, the lines are wobbly, and every stroke feels like dragging a crayon through molasses. You've rage quit more drawing sessions than you'd like to admit. Missed freelance gigs? Yep. Disappointed clients? Been there. And that's before your eyeballs stage a protest over the retina-burning glare. Burnout's not knocking, it's headbutting the door. Let's be real, your creativity's suffocating in a tech chokehold. Enter the Huion Kamvas Pro 16, the ultimate weapon for digital warriors who've had enough of mediocre gear. This 15.6-inch full laminated beast slashes parallax down to zilch, banishes glare with its anti-glare etched glass, and pumps your visuals with 120% sRGB and 16.7 million colors. The battery-free PW507 Stylus? It's tilt-sensitive, ultra-precise, and never quits on you. 6 customizable keys and a silky smooth touch bar give your fingers shortcut superpowers. Compatible with Mac, PC, and Linux, this tablet doesn't just keep up, it accelerates your grind. It's like giving your workflow an espresso shot, minus the crash. You want smooth? Try 266 pps of buttery brush strokes. You want comfort? This baby's as slim as your laptop and ready to move wherever you do. Zoom, scroll, and switch tools with a swipe. Every detail is engineered to put you in the zone, no distractions, no delays. Draw longer, faster, better, and without the eye strain. This isn't just a screen, it's a canvas tuned to your rhythm. Whether you're storyboarding, freelancing, or teaching art online, the Kamvas Pro 16 unlocks levels of productivity that'll make your old tablet cry in a drawer. No cap. So, are you gonna keep wrestling with tech tantrums or finally level up like your art deserves? The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 isn't a maybe, it's a must. Your best work is waiting on the other side of that USB cable. Don't let another day pass stuck in frustration. Grab this game changer now, and watch your ideas explode in full HD glory. Whether you're a digital Picasso or a newbie with ambition, this is your sign. Go pro or go home. Kamvas Pro 16 is calling, are you ready to answer?